Hello students, I am Priyanka Chaudhary from RBNB College, Srirampur. We are going to study here 11 Science Physics, chapter number 7, Thermal Properties of Matter. Now in this chapter, we have studied that the matter or the properties of matter depend on the temperature, also heat exchange. Now we have studied in the previous chapters of 11 Science is there are three fundamental quantities or fundamental properties of a matter, like that mass, length and time. These are three fundamental units or fundamental quantities used to describe any system of matter. Now in this thermal properties of matter, we are studying that the fourth fundamental property is required for the matter, that is temperature. So now in case of temperature, when we heat any object, it generally expands, and when we cool any object, it generally contracts. Now depend on this expansion and contraction, that is depend on the change in the dimensions of a body, there is a thermal expansion. In case of thermal expansion, the dimensions of any body is increased or depend on the temperature. So there are total three coefficients of expansion, such as first coefficient is coefficient of linear expansion, second is the coefficient of areal expansion, it is also called as coefficient of superficial expansion, and the third coefficient of expansion is coefficient of volume expansion or coefficient of cubical expansion. So these are total three thermal expansions. Now we are going to study here the relations between three coefficient of expansion, that is alpha, beta and gamma. So alpha is called coefficient of linear expansion, beta is called coefficient of areal expansion, and gamma is called coefficient of volume expansion. Now we will find here the relation between these three coefficients of expansion, that is relation between the alpha, beta and gamma. So first we will find the relation between beta and alpha. So now to find the relation between beta and alpha, we will consider a square plate. So this square plate has a length L0 at 0 degrees Celsius, and this square plate has length LT at T degrees Celsius. So consider a square plate of length L0 at 0 degrees Celsius and LT at T degree Celsius. Now from this square plate we can write down the equation of alpha as so LT is equal to L0 in bracket 1 plus alpha T. So we have written this equation from the formula of coefficient of linear expansion, that is alpha. Now from this we have Therefore, again, suppose that if area of this square plate at 0 degree Celsius is A0 and it is equal to L0 square. Similarly, area at T degree Celsius is 80, which is equal to LT square. Now in this formula we have LT is equal to this. So from this we can find out AT equal to LT square, which is equal to L0 square in bracket 1 plus alpha t bracket square. So therefore AT is equal to A0 in bracket 1 plus alpha t bracket square. Similarly, by using the formula of coefficient of areal expansion, we have AT is equal to A0 in bracket 1 plus beta t. So this is equation 1 and equation 2. Now by comparing these two equations, we have now by solving this equation, now in this equation alpha and t are very small, so alpha square t square can be neglected. So we have 1 plus 2 alpha t is equal to 1 plus beta t. So from this, beta is equal to 2 alpha. So we get here the relation between alpha and beta as beta is equal to 2 alpha. Now similarly, we will find the relation between gamma and alpha. So to find the relation between gamma and alpha, that is coefficient of volume expansion and coefficient of linear expansion, we have here, consider a cube of length L0 at 0 degree Celsius and LT at T degree Celsius. So we have LT equal to L0 in bracket 1 plus alpha t. Similarly, if volume of this cube is V0, which is equal to L0 cube at 0 degree Celsius and Vt is equal to LT cube at T degree Celsius. So now by using this equation, we can find out the value of Vt as Vt is equal to LT cube, which is equal to L0 cube, in bracket 1 plus alpha t bracket cube. So now from this equation we have V0 in bracket 1 plus alpha t bracket cube. Now from using the formula of coefficient of volume expansion, we have Vt is equal to V0 in bracket 1 plus gamma t. Now by comparing these two equations, we have V0 in bracket 1 plus alpha t bracket cube is equal to V0 in bracket 1 plus gamma t. So therefore, by using these two equations, we can have one plus alpha t bracket cube is equal to 1 plus gamma t. Therefore 1 plus 3 alpha t plus 3 alpha square t square plus alpha cube t cube is equal to 1 plus gamma t. So now alpha and t are very small. So by comparing this equation, we have 1 plus 3 alpha t is equal to 1 plus gamma t. So therefore, gamma is equal to 3 alpha. So this gives us the relation between alpha and gamma. So from this we can write alpha equal to beta upon 2, which is equal to gamma upon 3. This gives us the relation between three coefficients of expansion. Then the next point we will study in next lecture. Thank you very much.